Have you ever been to a venue where the sound quality varies dramatically depending on where you sit? Perfect sound up front, but barely audible in the back. Or maybe overwhelming volume in some areas, while other sections miss important details. With conventional systems, there can be up to a 20 decibel difference between the nearest and farthest listener. That's the difference between clearly hearing every detail and struggling to understand what's being said. Achieving consistent sound coverage from front to back has never been easy, but now it is. Meet VenuePolar from Biamp, revolutionary software that works with our IV6 and LVH-900 loudspeaker systems to deliver perfect sound coverage with unprecedented simplicity. Traditional line arrays require complex calculations and multiple amplifier channels to shape sound coverage. VenuePolar automates this entire process, calculating the perfect array configuration in seconds. VenuePolar is a plugin for Ease Focus 3 that quickly calculates the ideal number and type of speakers for your venue, the perfect angle between each speaker, and the optimal passive filter settings for each cabinet. The result? Incredibly consistent sound coverage from front to back, typically within just 2 to 3 decibels of variance across the entire audience, creating an exceptional listening experience for everyone. Our IV6 and LVH-900 systems have been successfully deployed with VenuePolar technology in houses of worship, auditoriums, theaters, schools, and event centers, proving their versatility and effectiveness across a diverse range of environments. While competitors require separate amplifier channels for each speaker to shape sound coverage, our passive technology delivers equivalent or better performance with a single amplifier channel for multiple speakers, reducing equipment costs by up to 75%. VenuePolar also generates detailed reports with precise mounting instructions and a complete bill of materials, streamlining ordering and installation. VenuePolar, with our community IV6 and LVH-900 systems, delivers dramatically simplified design, unmatched coverage quality, reduced installation time, and significantly lower costs. Experience the future of sound system design with VenuePolar, only from Biamp.